good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time you are watching me. I'm Endurance Okon by name, right here in OKON'S making. It's okay. Let's get into our main point of today's video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you something exciting. Yes, I mean something that you will not forget. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can secretly watch your friend's Facebook story without him or her knowing. Please don't tell anyone that I have shown you. Take note, this only works on normal Facebook apps only. I mean this one that is here. It won't work on the Facebook Lite or any other Facebook. I will keep this moment for you. If you not give the video a like or a thumb up, please do well to give the video a thumb up or a like, and also don't fail to subscribe to this channel so that you can see my future videos. Without wasting of our time, let's jump into the video. As you can see, this is my Facebook account. So if that, I'm going to view Blessing Idone's story, and I don't want her to know that I view a story. What I will need to do is to locate the nearest story, either from the left or from the right. In this case, I will just move to the nearest story. For example, I will use this one here. Then click on it and then view the story. Then use your finger and then scroll it. Make sure that you don't leave your finger. You can use both hands, like the right hand thumb and also the left hand thumb. And then I'll now use my left hand thumb and then scroll it past this one, and then as you can see, I'm in Blessing Idone's story. So make sure that you don't leave your finger. Then from here you analyze the story and then check whatever you want to check on it, see whatever you want to see. After doing that, then you now move back. In that case, it will not show to Blessing Idone's that you have viewed a story. If you find the video helpful, please don't fail to give it a thumb up now, and also comment down below what you have discovered about this video. Is it educated? Please let me know in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in some of the next video.